good morning everyone. Mga Team Kalingap. Kuya Bal, paalis na ako dito sa building namin. There. Shout out everyone. The 1 minute vlogging. There. Ang sarap ng ano niya, yung I love the weather today. It's not very high. Yung ano, maaliwalas ang paligid. Ang climate niya ay very fresh. There. Kahit malamig o naka-shirt siya ng maiksi. There, as long as you have a scarf. It's good. There, this is Ate Del Demonon updating in Central.